Yeah, hello. I have here my Stihl MS250 chainsaw. And I want to show you how to maintain the air filter on this thing. So the air filter is here behind this carburetor box cover. And in order to remove that, first we push down here the control lever all the way to the bottom. And then we turn this knob 90 degree, and then we can just lift off the cover really easy. And then here we already see the air filter. So first I'm going to wipe off the area a little bit just to make sure that there's no dirt and debris that's going to fall into the carburetor when we just remove the filter. And now I remove the filter by just tilting it backwards here. So towards you, just tilt it, and then it's easily to remove. Now you can clean this filter by just blowing it out with compressed air, but you can also wash it out with like soapy water. And so now here it is already cleaned. So here this is this fabric filter, that's why it looks so yellow. And so after you clean it, just make sure that there's no dirt falling into the carburetor, and then you just push it back on until it clicks here into position. That's not a problem, it's really easy. And then we install here the cover again, just the reverse order. We just put it into place. On the top there's this couple of tabs that you have to make sure that they're inside of the cover. And then you turn the knob clockwise again, and we're ready to go. Yeah, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment below.